welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review the Mia Secret nail art stamping. I just bought it yesterday and it looks something like this. I paid $4.99 and it comes with the stamper and also a card. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So this is what we have. It is clear and this feels sticky and like silicone soft, and then you have the scraper, which is just a card. On the back it tells you the instructions on how to use it. So it says number 1, apply polish to the plate of your choice. Number 2, scrape card against the plate. Number 3, firmly place stamper to the polished plate. Also, it shows you little pictures here. So that's exactly what we're gonna do in just a minute. And on the packaging, you have the same thing that's on the back of the card. So without further any ado, let me go ahead and actually we're gonna find out together if this thing really works. Okay, so we are going to use this plate right here, and I will be using this nail polish. So we'll see. Let's shake it up. Then with the card, we are going to just press it down. You have some of the product there. I'm gonna get the stamper, open it up. Let's try it again. See? It's not sticking. Am I doing something wrong? Let's try this one. And I used this before, so I do know that they do work. I'm gonna use this special nail polish, the stamper. We'll see if that works. So I'm gonna use again this one right here, and I'm gonna apply it on the stamp. Now there's gotta be enough product, enough nail polish on there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and practically I'm just gonna do that, not that, you see? Just so I take the product off. And now I'm gonna use the stamper, and nothing came out.
Okay, so I decided to try the very same thing with my old stamper. And guess what? This one did work. Now to answer your question, does the Mia Secret stamper works? Nope, it doesn't. Look at all this mess. I tried different nail polishes and no, I didn't get it to work. I think I'm just gonna stick with my old one, which is this pink one, and this one kept on working like a charm. I don't know. Now I'm stuck with this Mia Secret stamper, and yeah, I wasted $5. Okay, my friends, I hope that this review was helpful, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adiós.